and this is the floor all grouted. The vanity cabinet arrived before I could take the final video after grouting. So that's how the floor looks. Here's the back of the niche with this floor tile, and so these are, as they are being called, vintage tiles because they don't have a square shapes. And let me give you a quick installer's take on these tiles. So with this whole floor I had three different problems. First, these tiles are not the same size. If I line it up on the level, I end up with the tiles being different sizes. The second one is the shape. So they are either curved like this. Let me see if I can, yeah, they are either curved like this or cupped like that, where I can rock, because this is the high end at the center. You can almost see it here. And the third problem is, which is nothing I can do about after I sorted for the shape and the size, that the pattern doesn't connect. It sort of connects here a little bit, but doesn't connect there. So if you actually look along the line here, let me try to do this. This line doesn't end up being super straight because, again, the grain doesn't connect. So overall, in my opinion, this is a tile made in Spain, but not very nice quality. But anyways, we are done, and it, you know, hey, from this distance it looks beautiful. So we are done with the floor, and let's play with the shower walls now. Thank you for watching.